Hello guys. Welcome to Whatvwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show how to clear cookies on Opera GX. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Launch the Opera GX browser on your computer. Click on the gear icon available on the left menu bar. Then the Settings tab will open. Move to the Privacy and Security section. And there, you will find the Clear Browsing Data option. Click on it. Then a pop-up will appear. Go to the Advanced section. Click on the drop-down option of Time Range. And choose the time range according to your need. Here, I'm choosing All Time. Under that, it displays various categories. Select the Cookies and Other Site Data option. Later click on Clear Data. That's it, cookies are cleared on Opera GX. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.